How to participate in world events. Looking for the rarest loot in the game. World events are high-risk, high-reward public raids where players must work together or compete to take down massive threats. This guide will show you how to find and participate in epic community encounters. Keep an eye on your global map by pressing M. World events appear as flashing icons such as a crashed satellite, a military supply drop, or a boss zombie sighting. On PC, you can also hear a global audio cue, like a siren or an explosion. When an event begins, hover over the icon to see the difficulty level and estimate the time remaining before the event despawns. When you arrive, look for other players. While you can go solo, these events are designed for groups. Focus fire on the boss's weak points and use the throwables to clear the smaller adds. Once the threat is neutralized, a high-tier loot crate will unlock. Be prepared. In some zones, PvP is enabled, meaning you'll have to defend your hard-earned loot from other players who waited for you to do all the work. Fortune favors the bold. Get out there and join the next world raid. Like and subscribe for more multiplayer survival tips.